Stumbling home, we don't know where we're going. Should've turned back hours ago. Out of our minds, I guess we're sleeping outside. You're still a good time, even in the cold. Get out the road, I told you. A car's coming, I stop you. You know I always got you. You know I always got you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. I wouldn't hesitate about it, wouldn't even think about it. I know I really love you. Push you to the side, even if it means that I die. Wouldn't hesitate about it,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is spacious aka Miss WIT. Guys, today we are in Lower Kabete. We are about to check out a 3-bedroom apartment that is looking so beautiful, and right on we are at the door. Here guys, you see a large door bringing in a lot of lighting, making this space look amazing.
put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open.
I just love how neutral the tiling is, looking really amazing. Remember guys, this house is in Lower Kabete and the house goes for 38,000. 38,000, that is Kenyan shillings.
But there's nothing I can do. I can never get to you.
Look at the views guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Guys, who gives you such a big balcony? This is actually value for your money. Look at that. Wow. A beautiful space for you guys. 38,000 Lower Kabete.
If I'm overthinking, I'm really trying, so I should stop it. So hard on myself.
The living room actually is spacious. It could fit a 6-seater, or maybe for those who like 5-seaters, 5-seater, a dining set, and you're good to go guys.
Pulling the thread through the loop, trying to find the faith I knew. Always thought that it would
On this side, which is my right, first things first, let's check out this amazing, beautiful, enough of even praising it. Just take a look guys. Yes, separate washroom, separate bathroom. This comes in handy guys. You're not going to fight over bathroom and washroom in this house. And remember, this is for the guests. I love how spacious they are. On this side guys, it's our first bedroom. And guys, something that hit me when I came in is the view from this other side. Look at that. The greenery, oh my goodness.
walking away.
I also love that this room has a closet.
It's taking everything not to turn around.
Enough storage for you guys.
Throw it away.
Drawers, oh my goodness. This is something I'm looking for in my next house.
When you're not holding me,
On to the next one now.
I can see it now.
Wow, oh my goodness. This is the second bedroom, and from this angle you can actually see how it's looking on the other side. Good lighting, you have your curtain right over there, so have beautiful curtains going in. And wow guys, it also has a closet, and the same closet with drawers. Oh my goodness, just take a look.
Gonna lose, but if I'm gonna lose you, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it.
And for me, if I have to move into this house, I think one of the bedrooms will be Gigi's bedroom, the other one will be my office, and then the master will just be the master.
Oh shit, I've been doing this a long time, lost in
I told you guys, a lot of storage for you. This house is value for your money. 38,000 Lower Kabete.
I'm up all day.
Let's head now to the master. Remember, the master is master in suit. Wow, wow, wow. This room is big. Oh my goodness. You would actually fit in here a 6x6 bed, if you like, king size. Look at that mirror! Oh my god! The landlord or landlady was actually generous enough to have this mirror go in there, and this is amazing. Ooh, hallelujah. The closet again with drawers. This is amazing. And I actually love the color of the cabinetry in this house. And now the master bathroom stroke washroom. I think what you need to do in here is just like do a little bit of cleaning, but the house itself is goals. And I'm being told that this house is only like one tenant who has been in since it was built. Enough space, guys, enough space. I actually tried opening up the tap to see if water was there, but I was told the meter or something just downstairs was shut, or it was closed rather. So water is not running, because I'm told people are misusing the water from the different houses, and especially when it's a metered house or metered whatever system, the new tenant could be coming in and paying a lot more just by coming or moving in, and you're paying for water that you didn't actually use. So I see why they actually shut the meter. This is the bedroom, the master. It's master in suit. 3 bedrooms, Lower Kabete. Actually, the apartments are called Kitisuru apartments. Kitisuru View, actually. Kitisuru View apartments. Going back to the living room, because I just remembered I didn't show you the kitchen. And ta-da! There you go, guys. Amazing space in the kitchen. Good looking cabinetry, both lower level and upper level. Wow. You can't actually just complain about cabinetry in this house. A lot of storage for you. I love this countertop. Oof. You see, guys, your spices, cutlery going in there. You can actually add your bin in here. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. You think we are done? You won't believe this. You have a laundry area. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that, guys. Ooh. Wow, wow, wow. If you have a washing machine, I bet you're not going to hang your clothes outside. You're just going to wash them in here, and then you're going to get yourselves those table dries or something. I don't know what they're called. Place them in one of these corners. Put your clothes there to dry, and you just open the window. Like, wow, wow, wow. I'm impressed.
Now it's all just you got me on blast. You're over it. I've been done. We're so toxic. Can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm actually like trying to arrange this house in my head like right now.
We can never be friends. We can never be friends.
I love these big doors. I love them. Hallelujah.
Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working.
So guys, this is like the final tour. I'm just like taking you through everything in this house as I sign out. And remember, there's parking and 2 vehicles per house. That is 2 parking slots. From me, Sweet, it's peace, and I'm out. I will see you on the next one.